When the sun rises on a new day, we often reach for a cold drink. And a good refrigerator water filter is like a magic wand. It transforms tap water into a clear, refreshing stream. The Swift Green Fridge Filter UKF8001 3PK is a true champion. It replaces many common filters, including UKF8001, EDR4RXD1, and Filter 4. This means fewer worries about finding the right fit. Furthermore, it tackles impurities. Like a superhero fighting villains. Your family deserves pure, great-tasting water. This filter provides just that. Moreover, this 3-pack offers excellent value. It's like having a secret stash of freshness. Changing filters is also simple. You won't need special tools. The water flows smoothly. It's a noticeable difference. Imagine a mountain spring right in your kitchen. This filter makes it happen. The Swift Green Fridge Filter UKF8001 3PK truly delivers. It cleans your water effectively. Therefore, every sip is a pleasure. You'll love the taste. Your drinks will be crisp. Finally, knowing it's made in the USA brings peace of mind. It's a sign of quality. This filter is a reliable workhorse. It stands tall against other brands. You'll taste the difference immediately. Ultimately, the Swift Green Fridge Filter UKF8001 3PK is a wise choice. It offers superior filtration. Plus, it's budget-friendly. Invest in your health. Choose this filter. Your taste buds will thank you. Pros. Fits in my Jenn air fridge, easy to change out, no leaks, works great. Always fits perfectly, smoother taste, easy to install and take out, filters the water well. Clean water matters, very reasonable pricing, works great, filters water in our fridge. Beautifully, manufactured in the USA. Cons. Ice-dent chlorine taste initially, a little difficult installing. Have to remove the glass shelf. Did not fit Maytag UKF8001 AXX200 wouldn't fit as nicely as OEM. Water came out in a trickle. Water everywhere but in my glass, wasn't sealing features. Replaces UKF8001, replaces EDR4RXD1, replaces Filter 4, replaces F6007A, replaces 469005. Replaces 46-9006, replaces CLCH101, replaces PuraClean 267,003,526. Comes in 3-pack, made in USA. The Swift Green Filters SGF-M9 is a 3-pack of refrigerator water filters made in the USA. They replace several common filter models, including UKF8001, EDR4RXD1, Filter 4, F6007A, 469005, 469006, CLCH101, and PuraClean 267003526. These filters help make your drinking water cleaner and taste better. The Swift Green Filters SGF-M9 refrigerator water filter is a made-in-USA replacement option for various models, including Jenn Air and others that use UKF8001, EDR4RXD1, and Filter 4. Many users found it easy to install, with no leaks, and appreciated its consistent fit, reasonable price, and ability to provide clean, great-tasting water. However, some users experienced difficulty with installation, including the need to remove a glass shelf, and reported that it did not fit certain Maytag models, like UKF8001 AXX200, leading to issues like trickling water or improper sealing.